Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to learn how you can install PHP extensions in your aaPanel. So in my past video you guys already saw how you can install aaPanel PHP MySQL, and today we are going to see how you can install extra extension that might be required by your application when you are installing it on your aaPanel's dashboard. So for example, you might need exe execution of PHP, file info, mail parser, image, extra image extension. So once you are inside your aaPanel's dashboard, what do you have to do? You can see PHP 83 here, 8.3 here. Just click on that. Where you have to go to install extension option. Here you can see there are multiple major applications that is currently popular and you might require it for your application. Example, we can take file info. This is an extension that is required with WordPress installations or other applications, well, where it gets all the file information. Redis, this is an extension where you can save your persistent values in your database cache. OP cache, memcache, image image magic, this is a universal extension for high performance graphics library. This is currently used by many applications and it is more optimized than the older one. Then we have IMAP. When you are installing your own mail server, this extension is mandatory. And MB string, swol 4, swol 5, and many other extensions are available. Some of the major security risk applications are currently disabled, so here you can see disabled functions. Click on that. Here we have exec. This is a one of the extension that might gives a security flaw to your application, but some applications they require it, so you can just delete it from here, so it will enable it on your application. Put env, this is also an extension that might give a security risk, so it is disabled by default. You can just delete it and it will enable in your PHP extension. So I'm just going to go to install extension. I want file info. Just click install, click confirm, and the installation will start. Click on your IP address part. Here you can see it is installing file info in my PHP 8.3. It will take approximately 5 to 6 minutes to complete the installation. So yeah, this is how you can install PHP extensions in your PHP installer when you install aaPanel in your cloud server. So this is it for this video. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this video, click like. If you want more information about aaPanel or any other thing related to hosting, comment down below. I will try to make that specific video for you guys. And subscribe to my channel for more informative video like this. Thank you for watching. This is your host Umar, signing off.